Hi, I'm Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Jewish cucumber salad. Now for the Jewish cucumber salad, I think of the cucumber salads that we used to get in delicatessens when I was growing up in Brooklyn. It's kind of sweet and sour, and the cucumbers tend to be kind of wilted. And so I'm going to use a fresh cucumber, and it's going to have a lot more life than the deli cucumber salads, but it's going to be pretty tasty. Just going to put a little bit of sugar on that and a little bit of salt. And just a little bit of white distilled vinegar. A little bit of black pepper. I'm going to toss it together. And as this sits, it's going to get a lot more liquid in it because the salt draws the liquid out of the cucumber. So, you know, you let it sit 5-10 minutes, it'll be practically sitting in juice. Now you have a very simple Jewish cucumber salad.